All right. Welcome back. Another episode of Unbox That Wheel. I hit up my boy Rocky, and you know what he said? It ain't about how hard you can hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward, baby. So tap in and let's open up these Vossen 23-inch wheels. 23-inch Vossen unboxing, baby. First and foremost, shout out to Outdoor Edge for the beautiful pocket knife. Let's get into it and see what Vossen is cooking up in the 23-inch wheel segment, baby. Alright, so the first 23-inch wheel we're going to unbox here, this is the Vossen HF5. These are the 23x11s. These are pre-sold to an Audi RSQ8. Let's open these up and see what finish these are. I'm going to take off the silicone wrap, and you will see that this is a beautiful gloss black finish. These are the 23x11s, 5-on-112 bolt pattern. And let's pop in that center cap and see what the true beauty lies within. This is a beautiful wheel, and this particular wheel is very good for showing off your big, beautiful brakes that you might have hiding behind the wheels. You got a nice, cool color on those brake calipers as well. This is definitely one of the perfect wheels to look into. All right, and now let's open up the competitor and let's see what they're cooking up. All right, so this is the Vossen HF7 as well, the 23x11, and these bad boys are in stock for an RS6, RSQ8, and RS7 fitment. If you do want them, we got them, baby. So now that we've introduced the contestants, who do you think is gonna win this bout? The HF7 on my right or that HF5 on my left? Comment below and let's see who the real winner is.